So it is Friday today, and I have a nice kind of winter outfit on. I just got back from doing a workshop, so the studio is a bit messy, so just excuse that. But I got this jumper a while back. Yeah, it definitely kind of looks and feels hand knit, but I think it's acrylic. I have on this scarf that I think it's originally from Gap. It's a nice kind of winter scarf. It was a charity shop find. Skirt has some cute little pleats in it. So yeah, that is my look for today. I'll show you when I'm outside too. I also got this coat recently. Don't really like the lining. It's like this weird blue colour, but the fit is really nice. I'll show you. Yeah, I like the fit. It's kind of like got a structure in the shoulder. Yeah, that is my look for today. Trying to film a outfit on a windy day is not great, but I think I got some footage to show you. So I thought I'd show you my outfit for today. It's the weekend. I have on my beret and a really kind of nice warm jumper from my friend's vintage shop. But I have on the jumper, a tartan skirt and my ASOS shoes. Just out now. It's really nice. It's quite chilly today, but it's a beautiful sunny day. Yeah, just off out on a nice stroll, and if I find somewhere to show you my outfit, I will. So I'm just out. I thought I would show you my outfit. Actually, I'll see if I can find somewhere a little bit better. Okay, we'll try again. I think the wind is pretty strong. But yeah, this is my outfit. A little bit. Scarf my mum made. And then you've seen this liner. And then I have loads of clips in my hair. That is today's look. Okay, so I'm just getting ready to head into the studio. I thought I would show you my outfit while I'm inside. Yeah, let's just put you down here. So my jumper is vintage. I got it, I think, over COVID on Depop from a friend. I really love it. I just have this other layered kind of polo neck under because it is quite scratchy, so it's kind of better like that. Then I have on this long skirt that is really old H&M, I think from maybe like the early 2000s. Really love it. I'm hoping someday I find like a matching blazer or something that goes with it, but I love the fabric. It's so cool. And then I have on some leggings, some checkered socks and loafers. I'll show you them now. Yeah, so just some loafers, some checkered socks, and these are Zara leggings, I think. Got them in a charity shop, but they're just kind of split. They're probably going to be awkward for cycling and I have to tuck them up. Yeah, so this is my outfit for today, and if I'm out and about, I'll show you again. Cool. So I'm just out and about, and I'll try and show you my outfit, but also I'm going to try and get a video of some of my new bags. I need like something for a reel, so I'm going to try and do both at the same time. So see if I can show you my outfit here. That is the... Okay, I completely dropped my camera there and had a freak out, but it's okay. So we're gonna go again. So I have on the same jacket as yesterday. This knit, I think I showed you, I thrifted this a while back. These are from Zara. I think I got them last year. They're in the sale. That is my look for today.